Welcome to Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by powering and updating devices. This prevents unexpected disconnects and drift. Once done, open the Tentacle Sync app and assign one unit as master so all others follow a single time reference. Make sure you choose the camera's frame rate and sample rate now, because mismatch settings cause later misalignment. Connect remotes to the master over local wireless or via cable and confirm LED status. This first sequence locks the reference and gets you ready for detailed configuration. Next, you fine-tune how devices speak timecode to each other so your edits are frame accurate. In the app, pick drop frame only when your project needs it, and rename each unit so you can identify camera versus audio in post. Make physical connections. Feed the timecode out to cameras and audio recorders, and secure cables to avoid strain. Once connected, watch the app indicators and device LEDs to verify continuous timecode output. If you see interruptions, reseat the connector and check back. To finish, label units and clap or slate to give a visual anchor for editors. This speeds verification. Make the master start recording first so all remotes follow, then capture a short test clip of 10 to 20 seconds and review timecode alignment and playback. If you encounter drift, make sure every device shares the same frame rate and sample rate, update firmware, and check battery levels. Resync and retest. A single corrective resync typically cures most misalignment issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.